Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Thank you for being here. This is amazing, right? How many people were here yesterday for our Shahada? MashaAllah. You know, when it rains, it pours. Alhamdulillah, we're very grateful for this type of blessed rain. We have Sister Victoria here, who, alhamdulillah, has been in communication with some of the people here at the masjid, and she's embarking on this wonderful journey of studying Islam. As we had Monica, she's right here, mashallah, I just saw you, also coming yesterday to take her Shahada. So this is a journey, right? We begin this beautiful process. All of us we're lifelong learners, so you're at the start of this, but we're here to support you, inshallah. And so you came here with the intention to openly testify your faith in front of, inshallah, your new family. Inshallah, your new family of Muslim sisters. So the process, as I quickly explained to you, is very simple. I will repeat the Arabic words, which is just a simple phrase that you, and I'll go word by word, and you will repeat with me. We'll say this 3 times, and then I'll explain to you the meaning in English, so it's clear for you exactly what you just said. Or I can do the English first, whenever you're comfortable. And then that's it. At that point, you are confirmed as a believer in front of the community, and you are now Muslim, and then we'll, inshallah, further the education after that with you. Bismillah. All right, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the first part begins, and you'll repeat, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Again. That was good. Yes. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. MashaAllah, takbir. Okay, so you just said in English, I bear witness that there is no God except God. And that Muhammad is his last and final messenger. MashaAllah. Excellent. Welcome to the faith. We are so happy for you. Thank you for honoring us to do this with the community, inshallah. As I mentioned, this is your new family, and we are here for you to answer any questions you have, to be a support system for you. Alhamdulillah. Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have any words?
Thank you. I appreciate your all coming. I sort of got the impression that you weren't going to be here, but
I rushed over.
Yeah. I appreciate that. Thank you so much for all of you coming.
Thank you. Thank you. Now be prepared for a lot of hugs. I hope you're a hugger. Okay. Yay! Welcome. Bring on the hugs. Thank you so much.